Objection: more local leaders against proposed changes for emancipation and independence holidays. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News and our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, Rasta Plight. Group says possession of marijuana still posing a problem for them and the police. And political and security leadership seek to assure Mandeville residents amid ongoing criminal attacks. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.